Hello, Automation Anywhere lovers. Welcome back to Kitty's Sessions. And in today's session, we are gonna discuss about certifications of Automation Anywhere A360. So, RPA training and certification are very popular because RPA helps companies automate tasks quickly and efficiently. This means work that used to take hours can now be done in minutes, allowing employees to focus on more important tasks. Employer are looking for people with RPA skills because it helps their business run better. Getting an RPA certification shows that you have these valuable skills, making you more attractive to employers. And Automation Anywhere is a top company in the RPA industry, recognized by expert analysts for 6 years in a row as a leaders in the Everest Group RPA products peak metrics assessment and ranked number one by Gartner for completeness of vision. Automation Anywhere's RPA certification are designed for various professionals like developers, IT experts, business analysts, and project managers. So Automation Anywhere are committed to a digitally automated future, and they encourage us to enhance our skills with their RPA certification. So upon completion, we will get a certificate that we can share on social media and add to our resume to stand out to employers. So guys, if we talk about type of certification, there are three type of certification in Automation Anywhere A360. Essential certification, which is for university students, and the second one is advanced certification, which one is for automation professionals, and third one is master certification, which is again for automation professionals. So this essential certification is designed to access our ability to effectively describe the value and utilization of the automation technology for overcoming business challenges. And the format of this assessment is certification is 60 minutes online exam and automation development assessment. And this advanced certification is a 2-hour online exam, and master certification is 1 hour 45-minute online exam and automation development assessment also. So guys, we have already posted a video on advanced certification, means how to crack this certification, and also the important question of for this certification. You can check out our video on it. The link is given in the description box and also here in I button. If we talk about essential certification, so this exam tests you on these objectives. These are the objectives: RPA development lifecycle, how to identify business processes for automation, and building software bots, and describe how to build resiliency within bot to handle exceptions, and reusable code to deploy, and create smart dashboard to gain real-time results. And it will contain 40 multiple choice questions, and duration will be 60 minutes, and passing score will be the 80% required to advance to next assessment. And completion of automation and hands-on practice building. And the cost is the $0, so anyone can attempt this certification. I will say you should attempt this before attempting another certification. And next one is advanced certification. So the renewal cost is $50. If your certification will become inactive in next 45 days, then take advantage of our renewal certification exam. So this is for renewal, but I'm assuming you are going to attempt it first time. So you can check out the objective of this examination, and it will contain the 60 multiple choice questions and 2 hours of duration. Exam type will be the online, and it will passing score will be the 80%. Means your 48 questions should be correct if you want to pass this certification. And you will get one more attempt if you are unable to crack it in first attempt. So successful prerequisites for this one. First of all, you need to complete all these modules, 6 hours of learning trial, and then these are some recommended courses. You can check out these courses as well. And also you can refer to our videos for any topic or any course. And preparing for a certification. So you can refer to this learning trial in university.automationanywhere.com website. You can refer to this one, or I must say you should do hands-on practice as much as possible. And the cost of this is for this certification is $80 in $80 USD dollars. Okay, master certification. So once you crack that advanced certification, then you can attempt this master certification. And these are the objectives of the certification. And format will be 50 multiple choice question, 1 hour 45 minutes. Again, passing score 80%, number of attempt 2. And after that, hands-on assessment. In this, you have to create the bot that can automate business processes based on the use case provided. So in this, you will get only 1 attempt. And prerequisite. So you must crack this advanced certification before attempting master certification. And hands-on practice. You can do hands-on practice on Automation A360 Community Edition. And if you want to see how you can install this Community Edition, so you can check out our video on this. And the price of or the cost of the certification is $130 USD. And also you can get certified on Enterprise V11 also. But nowadays this Automation A360 is on trend. So guys, you can check out more details on this website. I will give the link in description box. And good luck for your certification. And do let me know if you have any doubt on any topic or anything else. Thank you guys. Bye.